To troubleshoot Klarna payment issues, start by checking the payment status in your Klarna account or the merchant's website. Ensure that the payment method is valid and that the account information is up to date. If the payment is still pending or failed, verify that the payment amount is correct and that there are sufficient funds in the account. Next, review the payment terms and conditions to understand the payment schedule and any potential fees associated with late payments. Check for any notifications or emails from Klarna regarding the payment status or any issues with the account. If the issue persists, try resetting the payment or contacting the merchant's customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues with the order or provide guidance on how to complete the payment. Additionally, you can contact Klarna's customer support directly for help with payment-related issues. When troubleshooting Klarna payment issues, it is essential to keep track of the payment history and any communication with the merchant or Klarna. This will help you identify any patterns or recurring issues and provide valuable information when seeking assistance. Best practices for troubleshooting Klarna payment issues include regularly checking the account balance and payment status, ensuring that the account information is accurate and up to date, and being proactive in addressing any issues that arise. By following these steps and staying informed, you can quickly resolve any Klarna payment issues and ensure a smooth payment experience. It is also crucial to understand that Klarna offers various payment methods, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing options. Each method has its own set of terms and conditions, and understanding these can help you troubleshoot any issues that may arise. By taking the time to review the payment terms and conditions, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure that you are using the payment method that best suits your needs. In conclusion, troubleshooting Klarna payment issues requires a systematic approach that involves checking the payment status, verifying account information, and seeking assistance from the merchant or Klarna customer support when needed. By following these steps and staying informed, you can quickly resolve any issues and ensure a seamless payment experience.